Okay, children. So till now we have learned simple future, will and shall use of affirmative and interrogative. Okay, and we also learned negative of those same sentences. Okay, so today we'll know how to form WH question interrogative, interrogative, negative, and then we'll be finishing. This chapter will be finished. Then after we will revise the parts of a speech with their practice exercises only. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I start asking sentences to be formed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तुम ये बात या फिर तुम ये अपने पेरेंट्स को क्यों बताओगे? तुम ये अपने पेरेंट्स
Why you told this to your parents?
तुम ये अपने पेरेंट्स को क्यों बताओगे? क्यों
Ma'am, why will
बताओगे?
you tell this to your parents?
Very good. First example. Interrogative. First. Why will you
क्वेश्चन यार
tell this to your parents? Okay. So what is formula? First WH question word plus helping verb plus subject plus main verb and then object. ठीक है, सबसे पहले WH question word आएगा, फिर shall या will आएगा, फिर subject आएगा, फिर उसके बाद main verb आएगा and then object आएगा. Clear? ठीक है. तुम हमसे मिलने कब आओगे या तुम हमसे कब आकर मिलोगे?
When will you meet me?
When will you visit us or meet us also? Okay. अब क्या होगा? अब क्या होगा?
What happened now?
अब क्या होगा?
What happened now?
अब क्या होगा?
Ma'am, what will happen?
आदिति, क्या बोला आपने? आदिति, give answer.
What will happen?
What will happen now? अब भी बोला ना मैंने, अब. So we use now for अब. Okay. So what will happen now? अब क्या होगा? Is my writing going upwards? No, one-sided upwards. Okay, so don't think about my writing. Okay. Who will? Sorry. सबसे पहले कौन पहुंचेगा?
Who will
Reached first.
go first? Go first. Ma'am, who will go first?
Who will
Who is
arrive? वो तो जाना होता है ना, जाएगा. Who will arrive first? Who will arrive first? कौन सी कार रेस जीतेगी?
which car will won the match?
Won is the past form of win.
Ma'am,
Which car will win the race. ओके, कौन सी कार रेस जीतेगी? कौन सी? विच? ओके, Aditi, are you not writing example? मम्मी से लिखवा रही हो क्या? Done? Shall I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
put it on full screen, so it will be more visible to you all. Okay. Why will you tell this to your parents? When will you visit us? What will happen now? Who will arrive first? Which car will win the race? Okay? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Six. किसका प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आएगा या किसके प्रोजेक्ट को फुल फर्स्ट पोजीशन मिलेगा?
Project will first.
किसका? We use WH question word. किसका या किसकी के लिए which English word do we use?
Ma'am, whose?
Whose. Okay. Then किसका प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट, किसके प्रोजेक्ट को फर्स्ट पोजीशन मिलेगी या मिलेगा? Tell.
Whose project will first position?
Ma'am, whose project will get the first position?
Whose project will get first position?
मैम साफ नहीं दिख रहा। मैम दिख नहीं रहा साफ।
मैम दिख रहा।
कौन से टाइम में या किस टाइम पर हम टेनिस खेलेंगे?
मैम दिस टाइम वी प्ले टेनिस।
What time? टाइम के लिए what? Okay. So what time we shall play tennis? Oh, sorry. Now interrogative, negative. क्या वो हमको एक लेटर नहीं भेजेगी? क्या वो मुझे एक लेटर नहीं भेजेगी?
Ma'am, will she not send me a letter?
Now we are writing interrogative negative, okay? Will she not send me a letter? क्या वो लोग एक नई कार खरीदेंगे?
Ma'am, will they buy a new car?
Yes. Will they buy a new
car.
car?
चुप रहो.
क्या हम अंत में एग्जाम नहीं देंगे? क्या हम अंत में एग्जाम नहीं देंगे? क्या हम अंत में एग्जाम नहीं देंगे?
Ma'am, will he not give exam at last?
What helping verb do we use with we?
Ma'am, shall.
Then shall we not give exam at the
Last.
end? Okay. Shall we not give exam at the end? Give the exam, sorry. Shall we not give the exam at the end? क्या मैं कल तुम्हें एक पेन नहीं दूंगा? क्या मैं तुम्हें कल एक पेन नहीं दूंगा?
Will I not give you 1 pen? Ma'am, will I not give you?
आई के साथ भी बिल, सबके साथ बिल लगाना है क्या?
Shall.
Ma'am,
Shall I not give you a pen tomorrow? क्या वो तुमको एक गिफ्ट नहीं देगा?
Will he?
And will he not give you a gift?
Will he not give a gift to you? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I hope you must have understood the whole concept of is, am, are, was, where, shall be. समझ में आ गया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can we form sentences related to the same helping verbs?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Just also do practice at home, okay, of forming sentences, and after this,
Okay, ma'am.
we'll revise parts of speech, okay, by doing their practice exercise, examples, filling the blanks, everything, okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today, okay?